What's up with you, everybody? I'm Lowski.
And I'm Evan.
And welcome to Father-Son Gardening. Now, my apologies for the delay. Of course, it's summertime. We've been out enjoying ourselves. We've been in the pool. We've been doing our thing. But Evan got a video for you guys on worm casters because this might be the most important part of your garden. So you guys stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready. Like, subscribe, comment. All right, Evan, take it away.
Alright, I got this. Today I'm going to be talking about worm castings and why you need them in your garden. So get your pen and pad and get ready to take notes, because this is going to be a good one. So let's talk about the benefits of worm castings. Worm castings are packed with minerals, essential for plant growth. It has nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and microbes. Say that 3 times fast. Microbes are the organisms that break down organic material and turns it into plant food. Stop the show. Food for us. Coming in hot.
I could go.
Yeah.
Cause you get in the bag, play with their life inside. I'm Gucci, I'm good with the math. I pull up and
So microbes are really important. You want as many as possible. The good thing about worm castings is that the food is available. As soon as you water it in, the plants can eat the food right away. Worm castings always help to fight disease. It keeps the roots healthy. Healthy roots make healthy fruit. Worm castings also help to hold more water in the soil. So if you have more sandy soil, worm castings will help you a lot. You can also increase your yields. Well, those are my tips on worm castings. So thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. You already know. Peace.